Hello everybody and welcome to the Exam Coach 11 Plus Exam Daily Vocab Show, where we build your 11 Plus exam vocabulary one word at a time. Today's word is antagonize. It's pronounced Antagonize, and it's spelt Antagonise. Antagonize. Think ant and then agonize. Antagonize is a verb. To antagonize is the actual verb. You antagonize someone by making them become hostile or unfriendly towards you, often on purpose. This isn't surprising, as it actually comes from the Greek word ant, which means against. Also, it's similar to the English prefix of anti, which also means against or opposite. You may have heard of the word antagonist before in video games, films, and books. But did you know that this word comes from the word antagonize? An antagonist is a character in a story who actively opposes or is hostile to someone or something and often has evil intent. So, they're the bad guy. They are the character who opposes the protagonist, the character with good intent. For example, Lord Voldemort is the antagonist in Harry Potter, whilst Harry is the protagonist. Whereas in The Lion King, Simba is the protagonist and Scar is the antagonist. But getting back to the real world, here's how you could use it in your day-to-day speech. If your little brother or sister is winding you up, you could say, "Please stop antagonizing me." This means you're asking them to stop making you hostile or annoyed. Or you could use it to describe players who stop and dance after defeating you on Fortnite. They may well be trying to antagonize you. Antagonize is defined as making someone dislike you or feel opposed to you. Its synonyms include alienate, estrange, disaffect, anger, annoy, provoke, vex, irritate, offend, aggravate, and rile. Antonyms include pacify, placate, appease, calm, conciliate, and soothe. See if you can use this word today to describe a family member or a friend. If you see someone agitating or annoying someone else, you could kindly tell them that they shouldn't be so antagonizing. Everyone's a little antagonizing at times, but we can all try our best not to be. Have a top day ahead, and we'll be back tomorrow at the same time for another Exam Coach 11 Plus Exam Daily Vocab Show.